Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. So this is the review of jumbo Punjabi style samosas from the Deep company, and they have little 2 pouches like this for chutneys and 8 samosas, and this tray it came in. So these samosas are pretty good and big size. Only complain if I do have it, which is it's little too salty for my taste, so if they could add just a little less salt. Other than that, these are good size samosas. All you need to do is take out as many as you want, and then you can put in a microwave, you can put in the oven, and do it for 10 to 15 minutes till they're crispy. Microwave just 1 minute. And I deep fried them with a little bit of olive oil. You can do that too. And then it did came with so these are the 4 fried samosas and little bit of chutney, and this chutney is adequate amount for 4 samosas. So there's 2 pouches there and 8 samosas. So 4 samosas you have adequate amount. So this is a good purchase. I paid $7.99, which is $8, so which $1 a samosa. But if you go to buy in a restaurant 1 samosa, it used to be $2 before, but after the pandemic it is $4 per samosa. So this is really a good buy, and I would buy it again, except only complaint I have if they just reduce the salt. It has too much salt. I guess they put a lot of salt to keep it good, because anything, if you want to preserve it, you'd put a lot of salt to preserve. So I guess that should be the idea. So here's my honest unpaid review. I paid my own money, buy the product, and I give reviews, so that way it's unpaid honest review. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye. 2 of these are frying right now. So this product, my honest review is this okay. It's 8 of them, good size samosas. They're tasty, and they came with a little package of chutney, 2 packages. For 4 of these you can use a package, but they're a little too salty, so that's all it is. But they're good samosas. If they can put little less salt, that'll be better. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many more reviews, unpaid honest reviews. So here are the 4 samosas I fried, and here's the chutney. So this is the review of the Deeps. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.